Every cut is progress. Every fallen log is a victory over nature. This channel celebrates the strength, skill, and courage of real loggers. This isn't just a job, it's passion in motion. Welcome to the world of Wood Channel. A massive tree stands firm, like a slumbering beast in the heart of the forest. The lumberjack approaches, gripping the chainsaw tight. The steel blade snarls in defiance. Each cut dives deeper, biting into the dense, ancient core. The saw pushes further, relentless, as if tearing into the heart of the giant. Then crash. The monster falls, with a thunderous roar, finally brought to its knees. A professional tree trimmer, agile and focused, carries out his work with masterful precision. He climbs the tall trunk with practiced ease, each step firm and confident. Upon reaching the cutting point, he swiftly secures his stance, eyes locked on the target. The chainsaw roars to life, its sharp teeth singing through the silence. And then, one precise cut at a time, it begins its task, cleanly removing each branch with skill and safety.
Nice job, man.
Thank you. Amid a sea of white snow, the roar of the chainsaw pierces the frozen silence. Braving the skin-numbing cold, the worker steps forward, pressing into the ice-coated trunk. Each cut tears through the bark, sending clouds of snow flying like white smoke. This isn't just tree cutting. It's a true battle between man and the frozen wild. The worker grips the rope tightly, climbing steadily toward the treetop. The chainsaw, strapped at his waist, is drawn, roaring like a wild beast in the forest. Its blade meets the bark, slicing through branches with precision. Each limb falls one by one, controlled, deliberate. This isn't just work. It's a balance of strength, skill, and fearless resolve. The lumberjack moves swiftly along the fallen trunk, like a skilled dancer in the forest. In his hands, the sharp chainsaw becomes a precise tool, slicing off excess branches in seconds. The engine roars, and the branches fall cleanly, like a surgeon's cut, quick and deliberate. No wasted motion. Every step reflects the confidence of a seasoned professional. A worker stands next to an uprooted tree in the middle of the forest. He dons protective gear, starts the chainsaw, and begins cutting through the massive tree. Each cut is powerful and decisive, the sound of the saw echoing through the wilderness. In the heart of the forest, a powerful machine carefully cuts through the massive root ball of a fallen tree. Its sharp blade moves with precision, slicing deep into the wood and soil. This process prepares the root base for transportation or further processing. Every move is controlled and efficient, minimizing damage to the surrounding area. A true display of strength and accuracy in modern forestry technology. The sharp chainsaw has completed its mission. With one decisive cut, the massive tree crashes down, defeated by the precision of man and machine. The sound of its fall echoes through the forest, marking the end of its life and the beginning of a new journey. Soon after, the freshly cut logs are tightly secured with heavy-duty cables. Cranes, skidders, or winches pull them away from the site, like trophies from a successful conquest. Every cut, every movement is a testament to the precision, strength, and professionalism of a true forestry crew. Each motion is careful and controlled. The branch starts to crack, just moments before it gives way and drops to the ground. He stays calm, focused, and ready for the next cut. In the forest, two hardhat loggers stood on either side of a large tree trunk, simultaneously holding a roaring steel chainsaw, cutting deep into the tree. Sawdust flew everywhere, the sound of the two engines merging together, creating a powerful and decisive scene. Deep in the forest, a worker used a chainsaw to cut down a large tree. Then, with a long saw blade, he split the tree trunk lengthwise into evenly spaced planks right in the middle of the forest. A massive tree lies uprooted, but don't be fooled. It's still a sleeping beast, full of hidden danger. With the Johnson 2045 chainsaw in hand, the operator steps in like a warrior. The saw screams to life, tearing into the dense wood like slicing through the armor of a monster. But every cut is a gamble. Massive limbs, twisted roots, and internal pressure could unleash sudden, violent movement. One split second of distraction, and the price could be steep.
Wupp. Drunter war keiner. Oh ja, bisschen, ja. Ja, da ist er kaputt, ja. Da war es Zeit.